Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Chainlink tokens from Crypto.com to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets between exchanges for better trading opportunities or security. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so even if you're a beginner, you'll feel confident by the end. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Binance. Double check that your Chainlink, Link, tokens are in your Crypto.com wallet. It's always a good idea to verify your balances to avoid any surprises. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the Wallets section. Find your Chainlink tokens there. Next, you'll need to withdraw them. Click on the Withdraw option for Link, and it will prompt you to enter a wallet address. Now, hop over to Binance. Go to your Binance dashboard, select Wallet, and then Deposit. Choose Chainlink, Link, from the list of cryptocurrencies. This will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy that carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer to go smoothly. Back on Crypto.com, paste that Binance wallet address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the network. Chainlink typically uses ERC20 on Ethereum, so ensure it matches to avoid any lost funds. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review the fees, which can vary, so keep an eye on that, and hit Confirm. Once you submit, the transaction will be processed. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the arrival of your Chainlink tokens. A quick word of caution: always use the correct network to prevent irreversible losses, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, stay updated on any platform-specific rules. There you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink from Crypto.com to Binance. It's a straightforward process that can boost your crypto game. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.